Hello there and welcome to today's video, which is another Halloween themed tutorial, and this time for a really cute little witch's owl. So let's go see how I made him. So for my owl's body and head, because it's all the one basically, I'm using some really nice kind of mid-brown clay here, and I'll basically make that into an oval shape like so. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in with my large size ball tool here to make a couple of eye sockets. I'm using large because obviously owls have large eyes. And I want to make a little pattern on his belly, so I've got my diamond shape fondant cutter tool here, and I've a list of the tools that I use down below in description. If you haven't got a diamond shaped tool, you can use whatever tool you have to hand really. You could even do this with a needle tool if you wanted to. So there we go, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I can add some eyeballs to his eye sockets. And I'll give them a little clean with my wet wipe. And pop on some pupils. And you can go for whatever eye design you like really, it's entirely up to you. And I'll just pop on a little beak, nice and easy. And a couple of little pink cheeks really, just to add a bit more contrast. And I want to make him some wings, and I'm keeping it really nice and easy really, so I'm just using a round tool like so. And I'll press in ever so slightly, just so they attach better to his body, like so, or her body. So just really press those in so they attach well. And I'm going to add a couple of eyelids to this one, but you don't obviously have to do that. You might want to just have big googly eyes really for your owl. And for the feet, just got a couple of little yellow balls here, and I'll add in just a tiny bit of detail really with my needle tool. And attach those like so. And to make him a little more Halloween-y, I'm going to make him a little witch's hat, so they're super easy. I just need to make a round piece of clay and then just make a cone shape with the other. And just pop those together like so. And once I've worked out where I want the hat to go, I'll pop in some craft wire. And then attach the witch's hats. And I'll pop on just a couple of eyebrows as well. And there he is, all ready to bake. And at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. And here he is, all done. I hope you have a hoot making yours. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a like if you got this far, and subscribe if you're new. If you do make any of the Halloween tutorials this year, or any of my tutorials actually, I would love to see how they turned out, so remember to tag me in on Insta or on Twitter. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.